Hey guys, I'm Akshay from Beebom.com and this video is about nothing. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Jokes aside, Nothing's first ever product is here and it is this little thing. Yeah, these are the Nothing Ear 1 truly wireless earbuds and they're pretty interesting. I mean, the design here alone is quite different, but there are a bunch of features here as well, which is why I am really excited about these earphones. Well, I've been using the Nothing Ear 1 for a while now and this is my review of the Nothing Ear 1. So let's get started. Even though the name of this company is Nothing, there are a lot of interesting things about these earphones. Starting off with the design. As you can see, this is not the kind of design you'll find in any other earphones right now. The case is transparent and really well built, and there's a simple USB-C port for charging and a button for resetting and pairing the earphones. The earphones themselves also have a transparent body and I mean it's quite a good look. There's the Nothing Ear 1 text printed here as you can see, and because these are transparent, you can kind of see the circuit board as well. It's quite cool and it's definitely a fresh new design. Look, truly wireless earphones have looked the same for years now, especially because most companies just end up copying Apple's design. So yeah, the Nothing Ear 1's design has definitely made me happy. Plus they have IPX4 rating for sweat and splash resistance, so you can definitely use these for your workout sessions. These earphones are also very comfortable. They actually have the same pressure relieving vents that you'll find in the AirPods Pro, so when you wear these earphones, it feels like you're not wearing any earphones at all. Plus they fit quite well in my ears. Obviously I did the head banging test with these and they stayed in my ears easily, so that's great. Anyway, design aside, let's talk about the sound quality. But first let's connect these earphones. Technically, the Nothing Ear 1 support fast pairing with Android phones, but for some reason it's not working for me on any of the Android phones I tested. So I had to connect using the Ear 1 app. The process is still simple and you'll be set to go in a minute, but yeah, hopefully that will be fixed. On iPhone you have to connect using the Bluetooth settings and that's pretty much it. You can install the Ear 1 app here as well, but yeah, that's all when it comes to connecting the earphones. So the Nothing Ear 1 have an 11.6mm driver and a 0.34cc air chamber for better sound. I've used these earphones extensively over the last few days and the sound quality here is really good. The earphones sound amazing. The highs, mids and the bass are all well balanced. The bass is thumpy and deep but not overpowering, which is great. I'm quite impressed actually. Plus even at max volumes you'll not hear any break in sounds or anything like that. And they get loud AF. Seriously. So loud. Now I did notice that there is a little bit of sound leakage at max volume, but it's really minimal and honestly I doubt you'll use these at highest volume anyway because it will hurt your ears. Apart from that, I also did a gaming test with these earphones. I played Battlegrounds Mobile India and there's no noticeable latency in the sound, so they are really good for gaming as well. That said, the Nothing Ear 1 don't have support for aptX, which is slightly disappointing. So yeah, these are pretty much the best sounding earphones I have used in this price. At this price, you might consider the OnePlus Buds or the Galaxy Buds Plus, but yeah, the Nothing Ear 1 are definitely better in sound quality. The Galaxy Buds are a close second, but if you're looking for impressive sound quality in this price, I would recommend the Nothing Ear 1. Moving on, one of the most important features here is noise cancellation. Yeah, the Nothing Ear 1 come with support for active noise cancellation and it's okayish. There's nothing extraordinary about it and honestly I don't think it will really make much of a difference in really loud conditions. But it's fine for regular use. I do think the Oppo Enco X have better ANC, but they're also more expensive, so yeah, if you want really good active noise cancellation you will have to spend some extra money. Other than that, the Nothing Ear 1 have a bunch of other features as well. There's ear detection so your music plays and pauses automatically, which is nice to have. Plus there's support for tap gestures here, so you can double tap to play and pause music and triple tap to skip tracks. That's fine, but you also get volume controls here, so you can swipe up and down on the stem of the earphones to increase or decrease the volume. It works well enough, although sometimes you might struggle with it a little bit. Obviously you can also long press on either earbud to switch between noise cancellation on and off, as well as transparency mode. So all of these settings and gestures are great, but if you don't like them, you can customize them from within the Ear 1 app as well. Here as you can see, you can adjust the triple tap as well as touch and hold functionality for each earbud individually. I would have liked more options here such as customizing double tap etc, but yeah, as of now it's a little lacking. Then there's the Find My Earbuds feature which can help you if you lose one or both the earphones. It plays a loud sound from the earphones so you can locate them. Other than that, there's also support for adjusting the noise cancellation strength here. And as you can see, I have it set to maximum because like I said, the ANC here isn't really good, so the light setting will probably be useless. Apart from that, there's an equalizer, but once again, it just has these preset options and you can't make manual adjustments here. So yeah, the Ear One app is a little underwhelming for my taste. I mean, it seems like the bare minimum kind of feature set within this app, so I'm not really happy with it. Anyway, let's also talk about making calls with these earphones. Look, most budget truly wireless earphones are just okayish when it comes to mic quality, but the Nothing Ear One are definitely quite good. I've been using them for making phone calls a lot, and the voice clarity, according to the other person, was really clear and nice. So that's good, but I'll leave it up to you to decide. So I'm recording this with the mic on the Nothing Ear One, and yeah, I can't hear myself, so comment down below and tell me what you think of the mic quality on the Nothing Ear One. Lastly, there's the battery. Nothing claims that the earphones last 4 hours with ANC on a single charge and up to 24 hours with the case. Without active noise cancellation, that goes up to 34 hours. And well, those numbers are pretty accurate, to be honest. I tested these earbuds with ANC on and max volume and they last around 3.5 hours for me, so it's a decent battery life. I mean, other earphones like the Realme Buds Air 2 have better battery life, so yeah, it's not the best, but it's okay. Plus they have fast charging too, so you can just charge them for 10 minutes and get 50 minutes of playback time with active noise cancellation on. The case here also supports wireless charging with any Qi chargers, so that's how I mostly use it, but yeah, there's USB-C if you want fast charging as well. As you can probably tell, I am very impressed with these earphones. I mean, they offer an interesting new design, active noise cancellation and really good sound quality. All of that for a price of just Rs 6,000. That said, there are a few quirks too. My biggest complaint here is the quality of noise cancellation. It's just not good enough. Plus the Ear One app is lacking in features as well, and the battery life is definitely not the best in class. Overall though, these are really good earphones, and yeah, if you're looking for truly wireless earbuds in this price range, I'd say go for them. Well, that was my review of the Nothing Ear One, and yeah, I'm definitely impressed with these earphones. But what do you think? Are you impressed with the Nothing Ear One's design, the price tag and the features? Let us know in the comments. Also give this video a like and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.